So in this video, you will learn how you can combine account and opportunity object and get more deeper insight and clarity if you have a major account and want to do demand planning and update your leadership team in terms of how many opportunities are there and what is the overall growth or sales pipeline you see for the next consecutive year, right? Hi, this is Madhuram, and in today's video, we'll quickly look at how you can easily forecast account and opportunity in Salesforce using Valorx Wave Embedded, right? So meet Sarah again. Sarah is part of the sales team, and she now has a bigger team and managing a lot of quotas, and she wants to update the leadership team for this year and next year in terms of what's the overall demand flow. But there is a forecasting headache which she faces because she herself is more deal focused rather than account focused. She doesn't have a clear sort of strategic view in terms of which accounts she can focus upon or add in more opportunities where she can upsell, cross sell, and be more strategic rather than chasing or creating new opportunities. Plus, in Salesforce, again, to get more insights, she still has to go through the deeper clicks, and her workflow still involves a sort of a very jagged and a bizarre experience, right? So, ideal solution which Sarah thought of is, what if, she can combine the account as the parent object. So for each account, she can get clarity in terms of how many opportunities are there. And if she can get it in a simple, powerful grid or a spreadsheet like experience right in Salesforce, right? So that's where today's video is about, where you will see it live in how you can combine both account and opportunity, do your forecasting using Valorx Wave Embedded product, which is nothing but a spreadsheet inside Salesforce. So this is Sarah's CRM. She's in the Salesforce, and right now she's getting bird's eye view in terms of the all the opportunities. Her team is basically creating and working on it, and there are endless number of opportunities. So she is getting sort of a high level view that yes, the sales team are working hard, and but she doesn't have the right data or visibility in terms of how many this translates to, right? So what she does is she simply basically gets all the data, get the exports of all the sales opportunities. So what you see here is all the opportunities. She has got a latest update. She gets the opportunity in the account data, the amount and the close date. So this is what data she has exported, and right now she knows that there is about 7 million, that's the overall revenue which can be expected by the sales team. But ideally, what she wants to do is she wants to combine both account and opportunity, right? Wherein on the left is where for each account, on which time frame, which opportunity is being worked upon, and what's the overall revenue which can be expected, right? So specifically for this particular account called Global Media, so there are 1, 2, 3 opportunities, and that totals up to around 4.5 revenue. So what she will be doing is she will be just adding a total, and for each account how much she is expecting. So this is what she will be doing manually, and trying to share it to the management team in terms of the reports. And so overall you can see that the lowest performer here is this particular for the peers, where there is just one sort of opportunity which is being worked upon, and there are no more opportunities. And overall, if we compare from Q4 to Q1, there is a drop, and then there is an increase in Q3, right? So again, a quarterly drop, but that is also at the year, and that's not the right way. So she needs to get in touch with the team, and also she sees some opportunities where there is no sort of data coming in. Okay, I think I did made an issue, made an error. So I'm just again updating the formula, and then just copying it. But still there is one more wherein there is no sort of opportunity. So why so, and why we still have this account created, right? So these are suppose some of the insights, or how Sarah would be performing her workflow. Now, in there's a new way which she can achieve that in Salesforce directly, right? So one way to do it is with using the Valorx Wave. So Sarah quickly goes to the Valorx Wave app, and let me close that. And this is one of the grid which she has created, right? So first let me launch the grid, launch the matrix, and the user experiences, you can easily just select the account in terms of which you want to work upon, and then it will combine both the account name, so this is the account name, and then how many opportunities are there. So right now she is seeing the data on in the quarterly view. If she wants to see it in the monthly view, she can also easily see that, and the matrix gets generated. So for the month of September, yeah, there is this much revenue or expected, or the opportunities are built, and there are 5 opportunities which are been created for this particular account, and these are the opportunity details, and she can get into more nitty-gritty and more details, right? So this is a quick and easy way where she can do even a weekly sort of forecast. She can go deeper, and then yeah, she can see that in the next week is where this particular opportunity is planned to close. So what's the update on that? I can just get in touch with my sales rep, and then the next opportunity after that is a month later, right? So this way she can clearly plan in terms of her deliverables or her one-on-ones with the sales team, and also she can get a yearly view or high level view in terms of what's the overall expected demand, and overall she is seeing a growth. So this particular is a healthy account, and she will be working with the team to focus on the numbers and get the quotas met, right? So this is the way how she can easily combine account and opportunity and forecast and plan the demand better. Now, how was this built? So I'll show you that. So clearly, the matrix feature is part of the Valorx Wave product. And what you get is basically configuring the x-axis and y-axis. So what I mean by that is on the x-axis is where you have got the account name, and on the y-axis is where you have got all the opportunity data with the amount, right? So in the Wave matrix configuration screen, you first start with what do you want to show on the y-axis. That's where I selected the account by the account name. I want to try finding with the account name, which will be clubbed with the opportunity and the close date, right? So how many opportunities are generated for this particular account, and what is the closure date? And I want to see the existing data with the name, account, and the amount, right? So once this is done, the process is very easy. There's no change in the data configuration, but the changes happen mainly in the conditioning. So basically configuring the filters. So this is where I just want to ask the user that to find either by account type or find by account name, right? So this was the configuration where so let me go back, and if I click preview, you saw that when I ran the app, the user was asked in terms of which account he wants, the user wants to see more details in terms of the opportunity, and if he wants to just sort by account type, he can also get more of that granular data, right? So that's it. She just needs to configure the y-axis and x-axis, followed by which input the app should ask the user, and then she can just quickly save and serve, and she gets a lot of granular controls in terms of how she can share it. And when she clicks on save and serve, she just runs the app, and this is where she gets asked in terms of the selects the account, and then she gets all the data, and then as there are multiple opportunities, she can deep dive, go more granular, and also perform a couple of updates. So this is like about 190K, and then she can quickly save it from here, right? So she has the power now to quickly make those edits and work with Salesforce directly with the within the Wave product, and she doesn't have to now go back to Salesforce and do all those manual updates, right? So this is Wave. Now, if you want to start using it Wave, the process is very easy. Just go to our website, and the Wave product is listed under the product section. So this is where you get the powerful grid experience or the spreadsheet experience. Fill up your email and just click on Get Wave. And once you do it, you will be asked whether you want to install in your browser or whether you want to install in Salesforce. So what you see here, this is the Wave Embedded. This is the Salesforce version, and the browser version is where you get a Chrome extension, wherein you get the similar user experience, but the Salesforce look and feel is not seen, right? So if you want to directly work within Salesforce, do select the Wave Embedded option, right? And also, we are coming to Dreamforce this year, and we are going to showcase not even more features in the Wave Embedded and also on the forecasting. And there are a couple of events which we are doing, starting with the semiconductor event, which is at the Salesforce Tower. So if you are interested, just come to this page and click on register now, and you can easily add the details and register for the event. Also, we are located at booth number 524, wherein at day one, we are also having a happy hour. So do drop by our booth. And if you want to register for our happy hour, please feel free to click here and register for it. The next day we are doing a manufacturing cloud session, which is at Hotel Zeta, focusing on how you can do forecasting with your Salesforce data, which is in the Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud. And on the last day is where we are doing a swag giveaway day. So feel free to drop by. I'll also be there, and I'll be looking forward to meet you. Till then, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.